Today, I'm gonna be barbecuing a fish for my mukbang. On this pot, I'm gonna cook some shrimps. So I'm gonna put olive oil. And I got put some onion, tomato together. Let it cook for a little bit. I have a beautiful fish in here. I caught that from the pier. All right, so like the old-fashioned way, I'm gonna cut a little bit on the side. Like so. And then like what my grandmother say, put some salt, rub some salt and black pepper. There you go. Close the lid. Then I have some weird looking fish in here. It's a different kind of fish. They call them, in here they call them moonfish. See? And I put them in the grill. And let it cook. Oh yeah, it's cooking well. And now I'm gonna put this good looking prawn. Look at that. That's a beautiful, tasty prawn. This side is about ready. Oh yeah, the prawn looking good. Looking good, guys. Steaming hot. That side, oh boy, that's Hello everybody. This is a lot of food. You guys see me cooking a while ago? This is the result. I have a fish in here. In here, I got some crab. I chopped up some onions in there, tomato, and I got this humongous prawn. Prawn. See, it, this is a lot. So, guys, let's start eating. I'm hungry too. So I'm gonna get some soup to make my throat a little bit wet. Oh yeah, real good. I don't even know where to start. Man, they all look good. So I think I'm gonna start with this. Get this out of my way. And see the inside of it. Got a little bit of meat in it, as usual. See, that's about it. But tastes good. Mm. Woo! Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. That's a lot of meat. Mm. I'm gonna use this because my laundry lady get mad at me. She said, better stop mukbanging. Eating mukbang mess your t-shirt every time. So now I want to buy me some little pan. Hopefully she will love me now. My laundry lady doesn't like me like that. Mm. I could eat this every day. Never get tired. Like the salmon, I eat that every day. Yep. Forget the spoon. I just gonna like this. Now this big fish first. Mm. Mm. Yeah, baby. Like that. Mm. Beautiful. That's a lot of meat. Boy, that's a lot of meat. You must be kidding. Papa Bear will eat all that? Nah, no way. No, I should not say Papa Bear because there's some out there, Papa Bear, No Big Papa. There's some other guy that Papa Bear. I'm in trouble using his name. Oh, well, I'm done testing that. I always like to eat the head first. Mm. Man, different kind of fish is different taste. Hmm? Yep. is good. Oh. Let me see. I don't know, like this, maybe like that. Mm. Okay, let me see. I don't want to embarrass myself if this is no meat inside, but you know. Oh, pretty good. Pretty good. But I don't like it. Oh, man. That shit is hard. Mm. Eating crab is a lot of work, a lot of time. We don't have time for this. If I do this, then it takes all day. Then you guys gonna get tired watching me. It's boring. Yeah. So I'm gonna finish one, and that's about it. Hang in there. Mm. I like the small crab back home. The one that goes to the rice field. I used to get those, catch those when I was young boy. Back then, it's a lot of crab. I think they call them talanka, something like that. I don't remember. Too freaking old. Talanka. I like the taste. Damn, I forgot that. Oh. I'm gonna drink this. What is this? Mist. Woo. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Please do subscribe, share, and like. I appreciate it.